Hi, I'm Steve from Amtech, and I've been asked a question from Pam from Norwich about our range of removable self-adhesive hooks. Pam asks what size we do and how to fix into place. Well Pam, we do a few different sizes in our range, from a large oval to metal hooks to transparent hooks and concealed tape hooks. All are easy to apply and just as easy to remove, leaving no marking. Ensure the surface is dry and free from wax or cleaning spray. Peel off the backing paper and place firmly onto the wall to install a hook with a concealed removable tab. First, slide down on the tab to remove the backing plate. Next, ensuring the tab is the right way up, remove the backing tape and again press firmly on the wall. Then to install the hook, place a bit higher and slide down into place. To remove a concealed tape hook when you no longer require it, again lift the hook up, remove, pull down on the tape. Make sure that you're pulling downwards only, not outwards. Until it comes off of the wall, and you can see there's no damage at all. To do the same for this one, pull down, straight down until it removes from the wall, again leaving no damage. You can add a hook to the back of doors. Again, ensure it's clean and dry. Remove the backing tape and press firmly into place. The oval hook has a weight limit of 2 kilograms. And again, on other surfaces, make sure the surface is clean and dry. Remove the backing tape. Press firmly into place. And then it's ready to hang. Thanks for watching. For any other questions regarding tools for the home, garage and garden, please visit amtechdiy.com and we look forward to answering them for you. Also, please don't forget to subscribe to our Amtech DIY YouTube channel for more DIY videos. Thank you.